Hello, my name is Julia Nguyen, and I'm doing a tutorial on how to find a net ionic equation inside an acid-base reaction. You might first ask to yourself, what is an acid? Well, an acid is a substance that ionizes in water to produce hydrogen ions H plus and anions. A base is a substance that dissociates in water to produce hydroxide ions OH and a cation. When an acid and a base are placed together, they react to neutralize the acid and base properties, producing a salt. The H plus cation of the acid combines with the OH minus anion of the base to form water. The compound formed by the cation of the base and the anion of the acid is called salt. The combination of hydrochloric acid and sodium hydroxide produces common table salt NaCl, which makes this equation that I chose to give it as an example of acid is HCl, hydrochloric acid. Hydrochloric acid, I use ionization to separate its two components, H and Cl. For base, I use dissociation to separate its component NaOH, sodium hydroxide, Na and OH. Down here is that example I talked about earlier about how to form water. OH minus a base and H plus an acid forms together to become water, a liquid. The H plus, whatever has a plus sign will be a cation, and whatever have a minus right there will be an anion. Now the three steps to find the net ionic equation will be to first find its molecular equation, write the complete total ionic equation, and then you cancel out the spectator ions and you'll get your net ionic equation. I will use the equation HNO3, which will be nitric acid, aqueous, and potassium hydroxide react to make potassium nitrate and water. The first equation is the molecular equation, which is already given to us. Now, when you get this equation, you always have to check because it has to be balanced. If it's not balanced, balance it first. The second is a complete total ionic equation. You have to write out every single element and its charge, like plus, minus, 2 plus, etc. Now, the reason I did not break down NO3 and water, OH, is that there's a rule where you cannot break down a liquid because liquid cannot be broken down by cations and anions. Aqueous solutions, however, break down cations and anions. Excuse me. Once you write down every single element, you look at both sides, the product side and the reactant side. You see which one is similar, and you will cancel those two out, whatever is there, which will leave you with H plus and OH minus. My spectator ions was K plus and NO3. With leaving me with OH minus and H plus, I was left on the product side, water. So which gives me my net ionic equation, H plus aqueous plus OH minus aqueous react to give me water, H2O, a liquid. Thank you.